In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can add a watermark to your graph in Microsoft Excel with ease, which is represented by the smiley face in this graph of sales by item, as you can see right here. The first step is adjusting the transparency of the image that you want to add as a watermark, and then the second step is getting that image with the adjusted transparency and putting it in your graph. So first, adjusting the transparency. Now, we're doing this outside of the graph because you can't adjust the transparency once the image is inserted in the background of your chart. So we're going to edit the image by going to Insert, and then from here we're going to go to Illustrations, and then Pictures. And we're going to place the image over cells and get it from our device. Here you're going to get whatever image or icon that you're going to use. I'm going to use a icon or image called face icon 3. And here you can see we have an image of a smiley face right here. Now we want to make this smiley face transparent so you can kind of tell it's there, but you really can't fully tell it's there like a watermark would be in the graph. To do this, right click on the image and click on Format Picture. From here, you're going to click on this little picture icon right here, and you're going to want to adjust the picture transparency, which is the third option from the top. Where here, you're going to make it not all the way transparent, but almost transparent. Usually 90 to 95 transparency I think works best, but adjust this to your liking. And here you can see we have the same smiley face icon, but it's almost not there, but it's still kind of there, like you'd expect for watermark. Now click on X. Now we're going to save this as a new version of the image. So right click on the image, click Save as Picture, and we're going to save this as smiley face icon final, for example. And then we're going to have this be a PNG, because I think those work best, but click Save, and we can go ahead and delete this. And from here, we can click in the graph. We're going to click in the area of the graph right here, and we're going to want to right click. And then from here, we're going to want to click on Format Plot Area or the fill right here. So click on Fill, and we want to fill the shape with the shape being the background of this chart with an image. What image do we want to use? We want to use a file on our computer, the one we just adjusted the transparency of. So from File, we're going to go to Documents and click on Smiley Face, Face Icon Final. Click Insert, and as you can see, now that smiley face icon final is the background of our chart. But what if you wanted the icon to cover the entire chart and not just this area right here? Well, that is not a problem. To do that, we're going to click on the fill, delete it, and instead of filling this chart area, plot area right here, we want to fill the entire graph. We're going to click on the area one outside, so not the plot area, but the graph area right here, and then do a similar thing. We're going to right click on it, click on Fill, we're going to go to Picture, and enter the same image that we just used. We're going to go to Smiley Face Icon Final PNG. As you can see, now the watermark is filling the entire graph instead of just a plot area. That said, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.